Yesterday we had discussed the concepts of exercise 4.1 linear equations in two variables. Just I will ask you two questions, only two questions. What is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables? Or what is the general form of a linear equation in two variables? Any one of
Sir,
you? Any one of you? Yes, my dear Nikita, tell me.
sir, ax plus by plus c equal to 0.
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b both are not 0. That is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables, or general form of a linear equation in two variables. Now, how many, second question, I'm asking you, second question, how many solutions for a linear equation? Please listen the question carefully, my dear children. How many solutions for a linear equation in one variable? Listen the question, my dear children. Once again, I'm asking the question. How many solutions for a linear equation in one variable? Yes, Mahima, tell me.
So
Yes.
infinitely many.
That only I'm telling you. Please listen the question carefully. That only I told you the point. Listen the question carefully. What I am asking here? What is the question I asked you? How many solutions for a linear equation in one variable? Have you listened the question completely? Yes, tell me, Srijana. Srijana?
Sir, 1.
Yes, one and only one solution. Yes, that only, my dear children, that only. Yes, it is okay, Nikita. But what I am asking, only for that question, you have to give the straight answer, not for some other question. You have to give the answer for my question only, not for other questions. Okay, Mas Rujana, you also? That only Mahima. That only I'm telling you again and again and every time. Again and again and telling you the same. What is that? Once before replying, before giving the answer to the question, first understand. First understand the question. What is the meaning of the question? What they are asking? What they are asking? First understand the question, listen the question, or read the question carefully. If you understand the question, if you understand the question completely, if you understand the question well, then only your success will be 50%. In answering the question, there will be the 50% success. Without understanding the question, you can't give the correct answer. Yes or no, my children? Without understanding the question, can you give the correct answer? You can't give the correct answer. That is why I'm telling you again and again. I'm repeating the same point, my children. Before answering to any question, first to listen the question carefully or read the question carefully. If you are writing an exam, first of all read the question carefully. Read it again and again and again and again until you understand the question, until you understand the question well. Then only you go to the next step, that is answer to the question. Then only try to answer to the question. Similarly, when I am asking a question, first listen, focus on the question carefully, what I am asking. That is the main thing. First, you have to understand the question, listen the question well, or read the question well in the question paper. Then only you can succeed. You will succeed. Okay, my dear children. Improve these skills. Improve these skills first. Improve these skills. Yes, my dear children. Now come to another question. I will ask you last question. I will ask you a last question. Listen carefully. How many solutions for a linear equation in two variables? How many solutions for a linear equations in two variables?
Sir,
Yes.
infinitely many.
Yes, very good, Amma. Very good. Very good, my dear Nikita. Yes, very good. Please down your hand. Listen these questions carefully, my dear children. Understand the question carefully. Understand it well. Okay. That is main thing. That is the main role. Without understanding the question, don't try to give the answer. First, read the question well or listen the question well. After that only, try to give the answer. Okay, my dear children. Yes. Now come to the class. Now come to the point. Let us take this equation, a linear equation in two variables. Previously, we have discussed that there are infinitely many solutions. There are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Then, how can we find the solutions for a linear equation in two variables? There is a procedure, there is a method to find solutions. As per required question, we can find number of solutions for the linear equation in two variables. Suppose if they ask five solutions, actually there are infinitely many solutions for this linear equation in two variables. If they ask you, write any five solutions for this linear equation in two variables. How do you find? I will tell you. Yes, tell me, beginner.
So we can take x as 0 and y as 100. So it will be
Yes,
100.
very good. Very good. We take x values. We can assume any number for x. That is your choice. You can take 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or -1 or -2 or -3. You can take 1 by 2 also. You can take 3 by 2 also. You can take -1.3 also. That is your choice.
Sir, we can assume any real number, sir.
Any real number. That only I am telling
Okay,
you.
sir.
You can choose any real number for x. You can choose any real number for x. For example,
Sir, but here addition is there, no, sir. Then how we can put subtraction?
I will tell you. Suppose you are assuming here for x is equal to 1. For x, you are taking 1. Then substitute x value in the given equation. Substitute that value of x in the given equation. Then what will you get here? Do you have the skills of substituting the values in the given
Yes,
equation
sir.
or given expression? Do you have the skills? Yes. Then how do you substitute? Tell me. In
The
this,
transposing method.
I'm not asking about solving this.
Sir, we must substitute x equal to 1. So, yeah, 1 plus y equal to 100.
That only I'm asking. That only I'm asking. This is only I'm asking. This is only the straight answer to my question. I asked you, if you substitute x is equal to 1, if you substitute x is equal to 1, then what will you?
Good afternoon, sir.
We are transposing 1 to RHS, 1 minus 100. Then y is equal to
Sir, you were stuck for 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah,
what?
sir. We were not able to hear you.
Yes, what? What, ma?
Sir, your video was stuck and your voice also was stuck for past 2 minutes.
Stuck.
Yes, sir. Sir, and even the screen is blurred, sir. The board is blurred.
Maybe some network issues, I think. There may be some network issues. Still, it is,
Sir, now it is okay.
now it is okay. Video is okay.
Okay.
Audio?
Yeah, sir. Now it's clear.
Sometimes some network, because of
Sir,
network.
only.
Okay. So here,
Sir, I can only see half of the board.
okay, there may be some network issues. Because of the reasons, that video may not be clear and voice may be broken. Okay, voice will not be clear sometimes because of network issues. So here we got y value is 99 when x is equal to 1. Yes or no? So we represent this solution as an ordered pair. We represent this solution. This is a solution. This is a solution for the given equation. This is called in the Cartesian plane, in the coordinate geometry. You have learned in a small brackets, if you are writing two numbers, separating them by a comma, this is called an ordered pair. In this ordered pair, the first value denotes the value of x and the second number denotes the value of y. Remember this point, my children. In this ordered pair, there are only two numbers separated by a comma. Like this, a comma will be there to separate two numbers. In this ordered pair, the first number denotes the value of x and the second number denotes the value of y. This is one solution for the given abscissa and ordinate. In the coordinate system, we call it as abscissa and ordinate. This is one of the solutions. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 2, then what will you get here? If you substitute x is equal to 2 in this equation, in this equation, what will you get? Tell me.
So 2 plus y
2 plus y
is
equal to 100.
Yes, we get 2 plus y is equal to 100. We get this equation. If you substitute x is equal to 2 in the given equation, we get this equation. This is the first step. After substituting only, we go further procedure. We go to further steps. So, by observing this equation, it is a simple equation in one variable, that is y. This is a simple equation in variable y. You know, already studied in 6th class and 7th class and 8th class also how to solve simple equations. So here you got a simple equation in the variable y by transposition method. not by balancing the equation method. That is a lengthy process. Previously, I told you. In general, we follow transposition method, not balancing the equation method. Okay. So this implies we transpose 2. We get y equal to 100 minus 2, that is equal to 98. Now, can you
So
tell
then,
me what is the solution for this equation? How do you represent? How do you represent this solution for this equation? In the form of an ordered pair. Remember this point. In the form of an ordered pair. Yes, ordered pair 2 comma, ordered pair 2 comma. This is our first one solution. This is another solution. Remember this point. The solutions of a linear equation in 2 variables. It's okay, ma. We can't do anything. It's not in our hand. It's not in our hand. It is a technical issue, network issue. We can't do anything. Okay. That only I'm telling you. If network is good, if network quality is good, then automatically picture quality also will be nice. Okay. So this is another solution for a linear equation in 2 variables. Now tell me the point, tell me the conclusion. I will conclude this point in one sentence. How do you represent a solution of a linear equation in 2 variables? In which form you represent the solution of a linear equation in 2 variables? In the form of?
sir,
So
ax
order.
plus
Very good. You got it. You got it. In the form of an ordered pair. In the form of an ordered pair. In the form of an ordered pair, we represent the solution of a linear equation in 2 variables. Understood this point, my children? Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Anytime, anywhere, we represent solution of a linear equation in 2 variables in the form of an ordered pair, in which the first number denotes the value of x and the second number denotes the value of y. Okay, my children, please remember. Please remember these points. Please remember these points. I will ask you the same question later. I will ask you the same question later. Okay. That is why I am repeating the same points again and again and again. To remember these points well. Okay. So this is the main point. How do you represent the solution of a linear equation in 2 variables? In the form of?
Ordered pair.
Ordered pair. In the form of an ordered pair. Remember this point. That is an important point. In this ordered pair, what is the first number denote? What does x value? I will give you time. I will give you time to take screenshot. I will give you time to take screenshot. So this is yesterday also I have posted the classwork notes in the form of PDF. Have you got it? In the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
In addition to asking you taking the screenshot, I am also taking the photos. I am also taking the snaps. And I am posting them in the form of a PDF for your convenience. Okay, so utilize this one. Not only posting the video, in addition to video, I am posting the classwork notes in the form of PDF. Please find it and write the classwork notes. Don't escape from your duty. It's your duty. It's your responsibility. Ultimately, you are only accountable for your duty, not myself. You only the responsible. You only the accountable for your duty. I'm doing my duty sincerely. I'm posting the video. I'm posting the classwork notes also in the form of PDF. The next part is in your hand. The next part is in your hand. Okay, my children. So remember this point. We represent the solution of a linear equation in two variables. Now come to this point. So we got two solutions. How many solutions they asked here? 5 solutions. They mention here it clearly that we have to find 5 solutions. How many solutions you got here for this linear equation in two variables?
So 2.
What are the two solutions? Tell me.
So 1 comma 99, ordered pair 1 comma 99 and ordered pair 2 comma 98.
Yes, very good, Amma Bibina. Nikita. Don't say simply 2 comma 99, 1 comma 99. Don't say simply 1 comma 99, 2 comma 98. Ordered pair. It is must. As your name is important to call you, anyone wants to call you. What is important? Your name is important. Yes or no? Similarly, if you want to read this notation, ordered pair, don't simply 1 comma 9, 99 or 2 comma 98. Don't say like that. It is not a correct procedure. You say that ordered pair 1 comma 99, ordered pair 2 comma 98. Remember this point. I am repeating again and again.
Okay, sir.
To learn these points, don't take these points easily. To learn these points only. I'm telling you, I'm repeating these points again and again. Not for fun and not for time pass. Now let us take another solution. Let us find another solution. Now I am taking x is equal to minus 1. Previously I told you, you can choose any value. You can choose any value. Not only for x. Now I am taking y is equal to minus 1. Not only for x. It's your choice. You can choose values for y. You can choose values for x. After choosing some values for x or after choosing some values for y, we have to substitute that values in the given equation. In this given equation. Suppose I have chosen y is equal to minus 1. There is no restriction. You can choose any value for x or you can choose any value for y. Please remember this point. That is why I have taken this y is equal to minus 1. Now tell me, what will you get if you put y is equal to minus 1 in this equation? Then what is the equation you will get here? Tell me.
Sir, x plus bracket of...
Yes, very good, Bibina. Yes, very good. When you are substituting any value for any variable, please use the small brackets. This is a very important thing. Use the small brackets when you are substituting some values for given variables, for any variable. Use the small brackets. Bibina told correctly. Please remember this point. Inculcate this habit when you are substituting some values for the given variables. Use the small brackets. After next step, we remove the brackets. After next step only, we remove the brackets. Okay. Then what we get? X plus into minus.
Minus, sir.
Yes, minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 100. If you observe this equation in this step, yes, okay, ma'am, Nikita, you also, very good. If you observe this equation, this is simple equation in x. This is a simple equation in x. As we got a simple equation in y, here also we got a simple equation in y. Similarly, we got a simple equation in x. Now solve this equation. Solve this equation.
Sir, x equal to 100 plus 1.
Yes, 100 plus 1. That is 101. Then we got x value is 101. How do you replace? Very good, Amma. Bibina?
Ordered pair 101, comma 1.
Ordered pair? Tell me. Ordered pair? Tell me the ordered pair. What is the, how do you represent this solution?
Sir, 101, comma minus 1.
1 comma?
Sir, 101, comma minus 1.
Yes, very good. What is x value here? 101 comma y value. Previously also I told you first number always the value of x. Sir, we have taken a y equal to minus 1 first. So don't write here minus 1 first. In this ordered way, don't write minus 1 first. This number is y value. This number is x value. So we should write 101 comma 1. This is third solution. Yes, we follow these steps. We follow these steps when you are representing the solution of a linear equation in two variables in the form of an ordered pair. Every time you first you write x value, comma, after that you write the y value. Remember this order. That is why it is called ordered pair. We follow this order only. Don't interchange these values. You should follow this order only. Don't write 99 comma 1 is the solution. We can't. Okay. Okay, my children, understood this point?
Understood,
Yes.
sir.
Now take this page number 1 as take the screenshot. Still we have to find 2 more solutions. Here we have to find 5 solutions. We found only 3 solutions. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. This is the third solution. Now take screenshot. Now take screenshot of this page. Take it fast, my children.
Taken, sir.
Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Shall we find the remaining 2 questions, remaining 2 solutions? Or tell me your choice. Now tell me your choice. Which value you are taking for x or y?
0.
So very good. X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Then what is the equation you will get here? If you put x is equal to 0, then what will you get
So
here?
0 plus
What is the equation you will get here?
0 plus y is equal
Yes,
to 100.
0 plus y. 0 plus y is equal to 100. Okay, my children. This is the equation you will get when you substitute x is equal to 0 in the given equation. If you observe this equation, this is a simple equation in one variable, that is y. Now let us solve this equation by transferring.
So y equal to 100 minus 0.
Now tell me this solution of this equation in the form of an ordered pair.
Sir, 0, comma 100.
This is the fourth solution. You know, there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Yes, ordered pair. Ordered pair 0, 100. It is one of the solutions for this linear equation in two variables. And let us finally find fifth solution. Take the values for x or y. Choice is yours. Yes, you can take roots also. You can take root value, root 2, root 3, or 1.3, 1.7. Okay, so I will take decimal number. For a change, I am taking decimal number. For which variable should I take? For x or for y?
Yeah.
So y.
Yes.
X.
Put x is equal to. Tell me one decimal number. Choice is yours. Tell me one decimal number.
So 2.14.
2.1. Yes, 2.1. Then tell me the equation. If you substitute x is equal to 2.1, then tell me the equation you will write here. What is the equation you will write here? Tell me the equation here. What is the equation?
Sir, 2.1 plus y equal to 100.
2.1 plus y is equal to 100. Yes, this is the equation you get after substituting x is equal to 2.1 in this equation. If you observe this equation in this step, it is a simple equation in y. Now let us simplify this equation. Let us solve this equation. So y is equal to 100 minus 2.1. 100 minus 2.1. Are you strong in subtracting decimal numbers? Subtraction
Yes, sir.
of decimal numbers. How do you subtract 100? 0.0. You can keep 0.0. Then how do you? 9. Here 9 minus 2. 7.
So 97.9.
So 97.9.
We got here y value. Then how do you represent this solution? How do you represent this solution?
Sir, ordered pair 2.1, 97.9.
Yes. Ordered pair 2.1, 97.9. This is the fifth solution. In this way, we can find infinitely many solutions or as per the required number of.
Sir, can you do one thing with root, sir?
What, ma'am? Bibina?
Sir, can you do one solution with root?
Yes, I will take one. Tell me, for x or for y? Tell me, for x or for y? Tell me, Bibina.
Sir, y, sir.
Okay, y is equal to, tell me what is the value? What is the
Sir, can we take it as root 2, sir?
root 2? You can take root 3. You can take root 5. Any number, any real number. So I am taking root 2. Then what will you get here? What is the equation you will get here?
Sir, x plus root 2 equal to 100.
X plus root 2 is equal to 100. If you observe this equation in this step, it is a simple equation in one variable x. Solve this equation.
Sir, can we take the value of root 2 as 1 point, like that value?
It's okay, we can take, but we don't have the exact value of root 2. That is only approximate value of
Sir,
root 2.
three values can we take?
We can take the 3 decimal numbers or 3 decimal places or
Okay, sir.
2 decimal places. We can take 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, or you can leave it as it is. 100 minus root 2. That's enough. No need to simplify.
Okay,
We can't
sir.
simplify here. So, what is the solution? Tell me what is the solution here? Represent this solution in the
Sir,
form of.
ordered pair 100 minus root 2, comma root 2.
Yes, very good. 100 minus root 2, comma root 2. This is also another solution for the given linear equation in two variables. This is another solution, sixth solution. Okay, my children. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Now take the screenshot of this page number 2. Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Make it fast.
Sir, taken.
Yes, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
So we have learned in this class. What you learned in this class, tell me. In brief, tell me the summary of this class. What you have learned. What are the points you have learned in this class?
Sir, how to represent x and y value in ordered pair?
Yes. Representing the solution of a linear equation in two variables. That is ordered pair. In the form of an ordered pair, we represent the solution of a linear equation in two variables. Yes, what is the question here?
Sir, she have also given the answer in brief, sir.
Solution of linear equation in two variables. What is Mahima? These are
Sir, she have given the answer in brief, sir. You asked me, sir, the summary of the class.
Okay. Yes. Solution of a linear equation two variables. We have found the required number of solutions of a linear equation in two variables. These are the 2 points you have learned in this class. Remember these 2 points well, my dear children. First one is finding the solution of a linear equation in two variables. And the second point, after finding the solution, how to represent that solution of a linear equation to variables in the form of an ordered pair. We found here solution. After finding the solution of the linear equation in two variables, we have to represent its answer. We have to represent its solution in the form of an ordered pair. We have to follow some rule. What is that rule? We have to represent that solution in the form of an ordered pair. In the ordered pair, again one more point is left. In the ordered pair, what is the first number denote? What is the first number denote?
X.
Value of x, not x, value of x. Value x value. Okay, value of x. It does not denote x, Mahima.
Value of x.
Value of x. First number does not denote x. Second number does not denote y. Okay. Value of x. Value of y. Okay, ma. So these are the points you have learned in this class. Please remember these points, my dear children. Don't forget these points. These are very important points to understand this chapter well. Okay, my children. Now the time is 12 past 13 minutes, my dear children. Now take rest, take care of your health, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
In the next class, we discuss some more points. Some more points we will discuss in the next class. Now take rest, take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home, stay safe, sanitize your hands frequently, and maintain social distance of 2 meters away from. Thank you. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. So take care of your health.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you all, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Sir,
Amma.
I'll take screenshots, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, Amma. Take screenshot. Take screenshot.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Amma. Okay. What, my dear? Yes.